Hello, today's lesson will be discussing the mean, median, and mode, and specifically today, looking strictly at the mean. So today's lesson will cover these Common Core state standards. And by the end of this lesson, students will be able to calculate the mean of a data set. Again, today we'll be only discussing the mean. So what is the mean? Typically what we think of as the average. Sum of the numbers in a data set divided by the amount of numbers. Can anybody provide some real world examples of the mean? Here are some I came up with. In sports, average points, average wins, average gains. In school, average score, average grade. Population's average height. Population's average weight. And here the news a lot, average gallon of gas. So how do we calculate it? Let's look at an example. Let's take the amount of Giants wins over the past 10 seasons. So here they are, and that total is 818. So how do we calculate the average? That's right. 818 divided by 10, since there are 10 entries in our data set, provides an average of 81.8 wins per season over the past 10 seasons. So how is the mean helpful? Well, in this situation, we can compare two teams side by side. Pick another team. The A's. Let's pick a team that actually has a chance. Okay, the Dodgers. So here's their win totals over the last 10 years. And the sum of that is 844. So again, how do we find the average? That's right. 844 divided by 10 is 84.4 wins per year. So here are the two teams side by side. Are the Dodgers the better team? Make that argument. So your assignment, break into groups of 3 or 4. Using the internet, find a real-world example where you can calculate the mean of a data set. Then your group will present the data, the mean, and the calculations to the class. At the end of class, reflect in your journal about what you learned about the mean. Remember, I'll be reading these journals, and you can ask any questions you're too shy to ask during class, or if you forget to ask, you can bring them up in your journals. Are there any questions? Thank you, and that concludes today's lesson on the mean.